Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will write the name of this application of Gmail and you will find it here. You will enter. Then we click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will move to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.